Hello. Today I want to bring to your bring to you how to trade forex with peace of mind. Now, forex trading can be very interesting and wonderful. Be a beautiful adventure if you know the rules of success and you choose to play by them. Now, these rules are very simple. The first thing is that a forex trader, regardless of your knowledge base, you must be relaxed. You must relax. Let your mind be at rest. You should not allow your mind to be agitated. You should not, be loaded with anxiety. Okay, don't allow anxiety to becloud your mind. Even though maybe you have been, it is very, usual. It is possible that a trader has been, bombarded with a series of losses, or series of even when he trades. These, in a way, have this kind of experience have a way of influencing your mind. But you must do as much as possible to put your mind under control, because you are entering into the largest market in the world, and you cannot afford to make mistakes that you can afford and you can avoid. So now, to relax. The second one is you plan your trade. Never go into any trade without having plan of entry and exit. Before you enter into trade, you should know why you are going into that trade, the condition, the setup that warranted that trade. Okay, and you should know when you are going to come out, either with a loss or with a profit. Okay, if it goes your way, then you come out in profit. If it fails to go your way, then you come out with loss. You don't allow trade to go its own natural course, to run its own full course without your own influence on the market. So you should make sure you plan your trade. Why are you entering? Are you entering at the break of a particular resistance or support? Where do you want to exit, with or without a profit? Is that okay? Then you should also, number 3, trade your plan. Once you have planned your trade, the next thing is you should trade your plan. It is one thing to plan your trade, is another thing to execute it. You need serious, discipline, great discipline to trade your plan. Never trade outside your plan. In most cases, if you do that, you are going to come out with regrets. Okay? Why running the risk that you can avoid? Why running the risk that you can avoid? No matter how beautiful, how colorful, all of us can be easily faced with a temptation to open a trade because of one strong move that we see, that we think could promise us, huge returns. But that is not what trade is all about. Trade is all about planning your trade and trading your plan. It is, as in, you have to be trading in a systematic, orderly manner, so that you can always replicate the process. It's a lifetime thing. It's not a one-time experience. So you've got to make sure you master the process. Number 4 is do not risk too much. Okay, many traders, even some so-called professionals, fall into this trap. They tend to risk too much because they say this is a sure fire, this is a sure move. It's not going to go down. The market is going up from here. Every indicator, every condition is, attesting, is proving, is confirming this move, and they, because of that, push in too much money, too much lots, very high lots, senseless lots, ridiculous lots into such trade. What happens? The market has its way. It has a way of punishing disobedient trader. The market has a way of dealing ruthlessly with traders who fail to plan or trade their plan. Is that okay? So do not risk too much. It's all about consistent profit. Forex trading is an over time, gain thing, not overnight profit stuff, as some people may be telling us. Okay, and do not overtrade. Even though you do not risk too much, when you open too many positions, you are overtrading, and that is going to have a significant negative impact on your account as well. Some people will be having like $500 accounts, and you have 10 positions opened, and then when you open one position with each one like let's say 0.01 lot, okay, and the 10 positions now run against you because nobody knows what will happen. Market is fresh. Every decision, every condition in the market is new and unique. So nobody can forget about what people have been saying. Nobody can predict the market. We can only prepare for it. We try to mitigate our losses and maximize our profits in the market. So you should always try to do that. When you overtrade and the market suddenly turn against you, just 50 pips move against you, you have margin call. That means you are out of the market. You go back to square one. So do not overtrade, so that you can always have opportunities to trade, because market will always be loaded with opportunities. But some traders, due to lack of plan to trade, lack of trading their plan, lack of trading with sensible lots, small lots, and then due to over trading are cast out of the market. They see the opportunities, but they cannot make the most of them because they are already out of the market. So if you look at these number 4 and number 5, it is due to greed and fear. These are the things, these two combine under one factor, which is called greed or fear in the market. Then people don't plan their trade, or they don't trade their plan, usually because of lack of discipline. Okay, they lack discipline, or they have too little knowledge. Lack of discipline, or they have too little knowledge. People fail to relax in the market because of anxiety. Maybe they have lost a huge amount of money and they want to recover it in one trade. It's okay, and also because of greed or because of fear. So in a nutshell, the two forces that affect the market, the force of greed and the force of fear. Okay, fear of losing too much, I don't want to lose again, and the greed of making ridiculous profits over a very short of time, over a very short period of time. Okay, lastly, I would like to tell you to avoid false testimonies. We have guys all over the internet that are telling lies. They are telling lies, and many, I repeat, many are falling for that. I beg you, please don't fall for that. Forex trading is another business, and just like every other business, it is not easy. You gotta work for it. You gotta work for it. You gotta work for it. So work out everything, and it is going to be systematic. It's not going to be magical. Is that okay? They tell you return $10 to $10,000 is a lie. They show you some proofs. Why can't you ask questions? Why don't we ask questions? If somebody can turn $10 to $10,000, you ask. Let's say in 1 month or even 2 months, even 6 months. Turn $10 to $10,000 in 6 months. How long will it take you to 10 therefore? You know, that is what? That means you are multiplying by a factor of $1,000. Okay? So you should be able to turn $10,000 therefore to $10 million in another 6 months. In another 6 months, you turn $10 million to what? $10 billion. And then in another 6 months, you turn $10 billion to what? $10 trillion. Does it work like that? No. So people will always tell you false testimonies because they want to sell something to you, or because they want to sell a particular service. One way or the other, they want to draw money from your account to their pocket. So you are the one that will open your eyes and trade sensibly. Okay? So I just created this brief video for you to just show you the factors on how to trade Forex with peace of mind. I have so many videos which you know on how to trade Forex successfully, successfully, and also I have so many videos, more than 50 videos already, that can always guide you. And if you have any question, do not hesitate to ask. If there's any area that is not clear to you, let me know. I will try as much as possible to create video on that. Most of my video are answers to questions from my subscribers, my followers. So please let me know if you have any question. I will create video. I will always have time to create video, at least to solve a problem. I wish you all the best. Remember, I also trade for people. In case you are too busy or you want to be making money from Forex while learning, and you have at least $1,000, it must not be less than $1,000 because of my trading system. Okay, in your trading account, then I can trade your Forex account on your behalf. Okay, and for me to trade on your behalf, I've just told you one of the important conditions. Okay, you need to have at least $1,000 or more in your trading account. I will be trading steadily. Be trading gradually and making steady profits. Once the profit reaches 50%, then we'll share the profit 30% through 70%. 30% is for me, and 30 is for you. Let's say we make $500, then $150 will be for me, and $350 will be yours. You are the one that transferred the money to my account. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope to see you in my next video. Please subscribe and leave your comment if you enjoyed this video. Thanks so much.